crafty friends, I'm Katya with Lunar Sun Creations. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and to everyone who follows me all the time, hello. In case you don't want to hear me yammer on, I will put timestamps down below in the description box so you can just like skip to the album itself. But I think I'm a very interesting person, so I feel like you should watch me. Just sitting here enjoying our beautiful field of clover that we have here on the property. We did plant many packets of wildflowers, and the only thing that came up was clovers. But I think maybe the deer ate most of the seeds before the flowers even had a chance to come up. But that's okay, it's still very pretty. And I am here today to let you know that I have a new tutorial. The last one was very well received, and I hope that this one will be as well. I'm calling this one Raven Blue. It is inspired by both ravens and my favorite color, blue. So, ta-da! Thank you, Captain Obvious. The name is super creative, I know. So if you like blue and if you like ravens, this is the tutorial for you. It will probably be my last tutorial for a little while as market season is starting to ramp up. So I'm going to be switching my focus to doing a lot more of the polymer clay jewelry because that's what I sell mostly at the markets. I need to make sure that I have enough stock because I have quite a few markets coming up, so I need to make sure I am all prepared for those. But I'll still be doing some albums here and there, but there won't be a big tutorial for a few months, I would say. The tutorial has 6-page designs, and it is available in my Etsy shop as both a bundle with the paper collection, or you can get the paper collection on its own and the video tutorial series on its own as well. But you do save quite a bit of money by doing the bundle. It is a video-only tutorial. There's no written part of the tutorial. There is a PDF with a cutting guide and scoring guide and materials list, but not a full written tutorial, just the videos. Before I show you the album and the paper collection, I just also wanted to show you my new pendant that I just made, which matches the paper collection actually really well. And then the earrings. I think they're so pretty. I really like them, which is why I'm keeping these ones. Okay, enough jibber jabber. I'm going to show you the paper collection and the album that I created using it. Here we go. Okay, so I'm just going to flip through the paper collection quickly. It is a fairly big collection, but I am in love. I have already made the album, so I have used much of the paper. I kept these are the full size, but then I also have them in 2 per page, so like half size, and then 4 per page, which is perfect for card making. And then the collection also comes with like solid colors. They're not completely solid. They do have like some texture and little bits to them. So I will show you those, what I have left of them in a minute. But for now, let's show you the big ones. So it's kind of like almost dramatic imagery. So I used a lot of my own photography and put it into Firefly AI. So Firefly is a very ethical AI as it only uses images that have been given permission to be used for its training. And then when I put my own photos in, it uses those as the main reference. So it's a collaboration. Okay, so those are the images, and then they also come in this size. So this is the 2 per page, so every one of those will come 2 per page. And then this is the size of the third ones. They also are like 4 per page, so these are perfect for card making. Okay, and then as well there are coordinating colors. So see how it's got like just a little bit of texture. and then some like writing on this one. And then just like a dark, and then another blue, and then like a kind of like a taupey gray, and then like a bluey gray, and then a black one. And there's still there's a few that I've used up already. So when you do purchase it, you will see how many more there are. Okay, so that's the paper collection. Let's check out the album. Okay, so here is the album. It's like 6 3/4 by about 9 1/4. The pages are just a little bit smaller than that. So this is the front and the back. I kept the covers really, really simple. I just wanted the papers to speak for themselves. All right, so open it up. Again, the inside covers are also very plain because there's enough going on in the pages, I felt. So this is one of my favorite images, so I wanted it, both of these actually, so I wanted them to be on the front. Little ribbon pull here with a magnetic closure. So this opens to the side. And now, like I said, I'm using mine as journals, so there's going to be a lot of white space, places to write. Okay, so these two flaps here are magnetized and open up, and there is a large little pull apart here, lots of room to write. And then this is also a pocket with a magnetic flap, so that opens, and you've got another spot in there. Okay, page 2. So this is a belly band with an insert that is magnetized in place. Okay, and again, just white on the inside. Okay, so that goes back into its belly band and sits like that. Okay, and then this opens to the side, and it also opens to the other side, and then there's one more flap here. Okay, and then on page 3, which coordinates with page 2, this pulls down, and then this goes up. Okay, and then on the inside here, this goes like this, and this one pulls like that. So they both kind of sit like that, and then they snap back into place. And then they both open up and down as well. Okay, and then page 4 and 5, this pulls down, and then beautiful imagery down here, and then this has so much space. So this is, it's a waterfall, but with like extras. So these are like the width-wise ones. If you are adding pictures, this would be like your horizontal pictures and then your vertical pictures. So if you are using it as a journal, there is tons of space to write on that page. And then over here, this swings out of the way, rotates all the way out of the way, and then this pulls down for spaces to write, but then it also sits up like that, and then these two little bits open. There's a magnet underneath there to hold it, and then these, and then these two close back up, and then underneath there you've got that, so you can have it sitting up or not. And then the entire thing lifts up like that. And then this rotates around and covers everything. And then on page 6, this opens up and to the side. And then we've got a swing tab down here, which allows this to open. And then this pulls down, and then you've got two flaps here, and then this is a huge accordion. So when you pull it all the way out, it goes all the way off camera. Okay, so it's this large accordion fold. Let me just see if I can do this. There we go. All right, so tons of space. And then the back cover here. All right, so this is available, like I said, as a bundle or the tutorial by itself or the paper collection by itself. All three are available in my shop. I hope you will go check it out, and I hope you love it as much as I do. Thank you so much, everyone, for all of your support and your comments and your likes and your subscribes and all the good stuff. I really, really appreciate it, and it helps me out so much. I hope you will go check this out and craft along with me. All right, sending you huge love and huge hugs, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.